Head massage. First, hook and press the Jingming acupoint. After pressing for 2 minutes, pull both sides of the nose wings. Press the Yingxiang acupoint. Then the Jiacha acupoint, each acupoint for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, rub the roots of both ears. Knead and rub the auricle. Sweep the ear. Press the ear and vibrate the ear. Head relaxation massage. Step 1. Push the gallbladder meridian and bladder meridian on both sides of the top of the head with finger knuckles. Step 2. Unblock the meridians of the entire head up and down with finger knuckles. Step 3. Alternately push horizontally in a Z shape from the top of the head to the back of the neck. Step 4. Divide and push the trapezius muscles on the left and right sides. Strengthen with finger knuckles in a half-clenched fist. Step 5. Knead and pluck both sides of the neck towards the head. Step 6. Lift and pull the Dasui acupoint area. Step 7. Lift and pinch the entire neck with the palm heels of both hands. Step 8. Unblock the upper back towards the head up and down. Step 9. Gently tap the Baihui acupoint area on the top of the head. Today I will share the full version of back meridian massage. Step 1. Divide and separate the trapezius muscles on both sides with both finger pads. Step 2. Pluck and knead the Dasui acupoint area. Step 3. Divide and separate both sides of the scapula, then point knead the Tianzong acupoint. Step 4. Straight push the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 5. Straight push the governing vessel in the middle. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine. Step 6. Clench your fist and rub the entire back until warm. Finally, soothe and relax the back muscles. 5 techniques to relax the waist. Step 1. Straight push the 3 lines of the waist with your thumbs. Step 2. Alternately push in a Z shape with your thumbs. Be careful not to apply too much pressure to the spine in each step. Step 3. Point knead the bladder meridian on both sides of the spine. Step 4. Use both hands to divide and separate outwards simultaneously. Step 5. Make circles to relax the lower back muscles. Okay, so listen up. Want a simple way to feel better all over? Try a gentle chest massage. Just a regular, at-home thing, nothing complicated. Just a few minutes, a little bit of time for yourself. This can actually do a lot for your body. It helps get your blood moving, which is super important for getting nutrients where they need to go and getting rid of waste. It's like a little detox for your chest area. And guess what? It's a great way to de-stress. It can help release tension and make you feel way more relaxed. When you're stressed, you often hold tension in your chest and shoulders. This can really help. It's also great for supporting your heart and lungs. Those super important organs that keep you going. And for the ladies, it can even help with those monthly cycle things, you know, the bloating, the discomfort. Seriously, it's a simple, natural way to take care of yourself at home. Today, I'll share a relaxation technique for the arms. First, apply massage oil evenly on your arms. Repeat the movements 3 to 5 times. First step, use alternating thumbs to push upward from the bottom. Then bring your hands back down along the sides. Second step, with fingertips overlapping, push straight up from the bottom. Third step, use your thumbs to spread outward. Move upward and bring your hands back along both sides. Fourth step, alternately knead from the top down to the palms. Use your knuckles to scrape the palms of your hands. Before performing an abdominal meridian massage, first apply an appropriate amount of massage oil evenly. First step, opening acupoints, press and knead the Shengwan, Zhongwan, and Xiaowan acupoints. Tianshu, Dai Meridian, Qihai, Guanyuan, and Wailing acupoints. Second step, push along the Ren Meridian. First using the palm and then using the fingers. Third step, with a fist, use the knuckles to push on both sides of the Ren Meridian. Fourth step, perform a diamond-shaped push on the ascending, transverse, and descending colon. Fifth step, use the knuckles to push around the lower abdomen. Sixth step, lift and grasp the Dai Meridian on both sides. Finally, perform a relaxing gas, releasing massage on the abdomen. Today I will teach you how to relax your knees. Follow me to do it together. Step 1. Use both hands to alternately perform horizontal pushing and wiping above and below the patella. Step 2. Press and knead the Xian acupoint. Step 3. Use the palm heel to press and knead to relax both sides of the knee. Step 4. Use both hands to perform horizontal pushing and kneading above and below the patella. Step 5. Use the web between your thumb and index finger to pinch up and down. Step 6. Use both palms to perform horizontal pushing and pulling. Step 7. Use finger knuckles to push up and down on both sides of the knee. Step 8. Rub the knees warm with your palms. Super comfortable leg massage techniques. Step 1. Use both thumbs to push and rub back and forth along the midline of the calf. Step 2. Use both thumbs and thenar eminences to divide, push, rub, and knead the muscles on both sides of the calf. Step 3. Use thumbs to separately push and rub 2 points on the calf. Pull back from both sides to the heel. Step 4. Clench both hands into fists. Push from bottom to top. Then push back and forth from both sides. Step 5. Use both thumbs to alternately perform Z-shape pushes upwards from the heel. Step 6. Use both palms to alternately push and rub upwards. Repeat each step above 8 to 10 times. Want natural health support? Try foot reflexology. This at-home practice offers benefits. Kidney points aid detoxification. Head points ease headaches. Neck points relieve stiffness. Trachea, esophagus, thyroid, and lung points support breathing. Stomach and pancreas points aid digestion. Ureter points support urinary health. Heart points benefit circulation. Spleen points improve function. Colon and small intestine points promote bowel movements. Reproductive gland points support reproductive health. Sciatic nerve points relieve back pain. Simple hand pressure works wonders.